How's it going? I'm good. How's things? Come on in. Do you mind if I film some of the BT for BTS? Is that right? Yeah. Cheers. Right. So I'll get you just over here, Zoe. Alright, feel free to lean against here. Just do a whole bunch of stuff there. Really nice. Can you flip your hair over that way? I think it's like, yeah, just a little bit perfect. Just the light from you. That's it. Is that you? Perfect. And let's get a couple of arms crossed as well. That's it. Nice. And then we'll get you just a little bit away. Stay kind of in line with it, but you can just be kind of leaning or just come away from the wall. That's it. Perfect. That's cool. Okay. Can I get you just to move along a tiny bit, only because there's a plug socket there. That's it. Perfect. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice. And then swing round so you're facing the light a tiny bit more. That's it. Okay. Perfect. Nice. And then let's get you back up for a couple. Just kind of in front of me there. That's it. Yeah, amazing. And can I get some shots where like you're pretending to like put your hair like up in the... That's it. Perfect. And then do that spun around a tiny bit. That's it. Amazing. Yeah, that's great. Perfect. And then come through this way. And we'll do that back in that room. I'll get you sat on the floor. Yeah, just take a seat with your back against that grey kind of board. Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, wicked. Yeah, that's really cool. Perfect. And head back a touch, that's it. Amazing. Okay, nice one. So we've got loads of stuff. Let's just do like one or two more.